No mukena kambe ka Master Xitsonga analyst channel. Yeah, of course, namhla takhelo la album ya Jeepy Khatapila Man of War ya 2022. Yeah, so ka siku ra muntlha, of course, ra the 8th of December, as you can see, if you can wanna Jeepy Khatapila Man of War the poster. That poster if you decide to nkarhi wa kona. Judgment Day 15 December. Develop album ya donate ka yoma 15th of December. Bulldozer yi pfukula maribye. Yeah, and then from there for the poster cover, as you can see. I'm not sure if I do cover okay for now, as we can see. Oh, you know, I see blind, you know, the movie, as I've already said on the previous video. You know, James Bondish car. Jeepy Khatapila, I think you have the best cover for this year, December. Yeah, so that case had this track list, of course. So title track, as you can see there, it's Last December. Yeah, so track number 1, Ipfuka. Track number 2, Last December, as you can see. On was Sandland, most of the good Sandland got December, last December, or backup. Jeepy Khatapila. Track number 3, Meringo. Track number 4, nyoko. Already developed clip ya kona, so ntana kani yivekela sweswi ka background yi ta kha yi tlanga sweswi. So yo yale yona clip ya kona ya track leyi. So nyoko, it's actually a beef to Mr. Post. Ta kha bufa Mr. Post la. Hey, nto content ya kona ku ya chavisa la na ku bufa na mna hi mutswari wa yena la. Hey, na ku yi ta isukeni swinene, so ta kha bufa yena Mr. Post. This year hlangena swo Mr. Post. Ati ta n'wi tikela ana yile ku bifinga mhani wa Ben Mayengana hala tlhelo va ta va kha bifa mhani wakwe. Yeah, track number 5, No Retreat, No Surrender. Track number 6, Solani featuring Mambaolele. Kasi Mambaolele a yi suke yi endle beef ne. Yeah, so Solana, it's a beef song, so you come now beef song leyi na professional because akuna Mambaolele, so already Solana ma yi tivi track leyi already ni nga yi faka ku ri ka channel. Vona vo tala va kha va yi tsakela, so hi ta kha yi vekela that clip at the background for now. Yo yale clip yale yi tikomba yi twala kahle swinene. Yeah, track number 7, Seronita featuring Misho. Why it's always Xilungu Misho? Okay. Track number 8, Rest in Peace featuring Mansan Len, Fox Nyathela, Captain Mashele, Josie, and Foster Mangani. Yeah, leswi nga ka count ka shoko. Of course, vata ku yimbela risimu ra Rest in Peace, of course, to Mambaolele is very, very obvious. Went Rest in Peace ya Mambaolele. Track number 9, Tebelele. Track number 10, Nwama Bandla. Yeah, leswi nga fika tsala swona, as we can see. Yeah, so that came from this post, as you can see. Yeah, so ngora khusho ku ri tele ngori ze ri nga ringani ka leyi one part. Yeah, so hi vona tlhafika poster, another poster fika tsala ku Bulldozer yi sungula ku hisa engine, as you can see. And then like kona hi kuma ku ti details, so who's behind the album. Yeah, so tingoma hinkwato ti compose hi tlhela ti tsariwa hi Jeepy Khatapila, ti produciwa hi The God Again, co-producers Mambaolele and the HTG. Mambaolele a hanya swi ri loko Jeepy Khatapila di sungula ku endla album mona nyana leswi nga endleka. Additional production Red Boy. Okay, programming and keys in on again. Yeah, The God, Mambaolele, HTG, Timanganya, Red Boy. Engineered by what? God Again, Mambaolele, HTG, Red Boy, and the Siako. Mixing, God Again, na Siako. Mastering, Siako at Downtown Studios. You master really Downtown Studios. Show my studio. Okay. Recording, record live studio. Backing vocals, Josie, Sandler, Red Boy. Sandler anga bake up in the track Jeepy Khatapila. What are you trying to say? Ko hala kun'wana red kumbe kona ka leya tin'wana ango ka leya Rest in Peace ntsena. Okay, executive producer Very Lost Peppers or Pips. Yeah, and then yale hansi leyi nga tsala ku appreciation va ku thokoza Gog Mambaolele, Rest in Power and Eternal Peace, my brother and mentor. Thokoza Gog The Goat, HTG, Red Boy, Siako, Engineer, Fox, Mashele, Mr. Malesa, Studio Manager, my family, wife and kids. I appreciate and love you all. To my fans, you give me courage to continue. Lastly, I love you all, haters. Man of war. No, design dog damn round. I did English as again. I now appreciate me so long and I did Dengra at the rain for wherever you are. Unfortunately, won't knock out wrong here. I the rain throws as against none. Look at the cover, guys. Queen John. If I hopefully the similar to not that can reflect that cover. You could pay a cover as a station up. Look what I'm guys. I'm subscribe and comment and click subscribe.
Yo,